Have you ever wondered how plants seem to thrive effortlessly in sunlight while we struggle to maintain our energy levels? The secret lies in a remarkable process called photosynthesis. This natural phenomenon not only fuels the growth of plants, but also sustains life on Earth as we know it. Photosynthesis occurs primarily in the leaves of plants, where tiny structures called chloroplasts work their magic. These chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which captures sunlight. But that's just the beginning. Plants also absorb carbon dioxide from the air through small openings in their leaves, known as stomata. And let's not forget about water, which they take up through their roots from the soil. Now, let's break it down a bit further. When sunlight hits the chlorophyll, it triggers a series of chemical reactions. This energy transforms carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar that plants use as food. The byproduct of this process? Oxygen, which is released back into the atmosphere, providing us with the air we breathe. Isn't that incredible? Here are a few fascinating points to consider. 1. Photosynthesis is not just a plant thing. Algae and some bacteria also perform photosynthesis, contributing significantly to the oxygen supply on Earth. In fact, it's estimated that around 50% of the oxygen we breathe comes from marine photosynthetic organisms. 2. The process of photosynthesis is incredibly efficient. In optimal conditions, plants can convert about 1 to 2% of the sunlight they receive into chemical energy. While that may not sound like much, it's enough to support the vast ecosystems we rely on. 3. There are two main stages of photosynthesis: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. The first stage captures sunlight and converts it into energy-rich molecules, while the second stage uses those molecules to produce glucose. 4. Interestingly, photosynthesis has a seasonal rhythm. During the spring and summer, when sunlight is abundant, plants are busy creating energy. In the fall and winter, many plants slow down their photosynthesis, conserving energy for the colder months. In summary, photosynthesis is a vital process that not only sustains plants, but also supports life on our planet. By harnessing sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants create energy and release oxygen, making them essential players in our ecosystem. Next time you see a plant basking in the sun, remember the incredible work it's doing behind the scenes to keep our world alive.